Hey guys, Calvin here with Heartland Home Foods. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take our Creekstone burgers and a burger that you might find in the store, and we're going to cook them side by side to give you a good comparison of what happens during that process. So as you can see, the burgers over here, they got that nice bright red. That's actually from either a spray, some sort of dye, or they're adding some sort of chemicals or gases, so it's not going to be good for you, okay? So you can see over here, this is the natural color of ground beef, and you'll be able to tell, you'll be able to see a big difference while we're cooking these and see the difference in that process. Here we have our store-bought beef on the left, and we have our Creekstone Premium Steak Burger on the right. As you can see on the left, you see all that steam and all that gross-looking grease coming out. That's all that additives and fillers and all that stuff coming into the air. Over here on the right, you see our Creekstone Burger. If you look closer, you can even see the burger on the left start to get a little bit smaller. It's not what you want. Alright guys, so we got done cooking, and now we can take a look and see what we got left over. If you look here in the back, this is our Creekstone. Not much going on there. Right here's our store-bought. You can see all that grease in there. It's a good indicator of what's in the food that you're eating. There we have it. If you look over here, boom, we got Creekstone and we got the store-bought. Look at the difference in the size. And you're paying by the pound. It's crazy. There we have it.